a tree.
It's dead. It's dead one.
Hey, do you want to take a picture of me standing in my tent?
Nah.
Across the fire.
Stand in your tent.
What you saying, Nick? Speak.
It's videoing.
Oh!
You're
Fuck's sake, Sarah, you
Oh,
gave the game away.
filming. Okay,
Sorry.
well, I'm here. I'm
You're
here.
like-
I'm here. This is the start of my.
Where are you? Where is here?
I'm by the side of Loch Beniveian, and I've come here to have a bit of solitude. 3 days camping in the snow.
And there's a whiteout coming.
There's many people back home that think I'm stupid. Maybe I am, but I'm here to prove otherwise. And I'm really happy to be here.
Now this
I'm really happy to be here. I'm really grateful to you guys as well for bringing me here and showing me the site and helping me start a fire. And you know. Anyway, I'm running out of things to say.
There's the aforementioned fire.
There's a big wet branch for you right now.
Ryan's over there cutting down wet things just to leave with him.
Present. Leaving present.
A leaving present, some nice wet branches. Lovely blazing fire. Nick the intrepid explorer. Ewan the little helper. Say Louise.
Hi.
Hi. And Spinner the dog. Jip's away hunting otters. And there we have the blizzard coming up the loch.
Whoa.
Going white, the islands have disappeared.
Now that's quite a heavy snowfall, isn't it?
Yeah, about 300 million years and then it'll stop.
Next ice age and it'll be gone.
Yep. Next ice age and it'll be over.
Feels like we're in an ice age now, doesn't it?
You ain't seen nothing yet.
No, this is nothing.
This is blooming nothing.
Shut up,
You waste you.
Look at the fire.
Hey Ian, what's all these white bits on the water floating?
Which just dead close.
Yeah. What is it?
It's that's just froth.
Bubbles.
What causes it?
Just bubbles.
Oh.
The river. Going over the rock.
Yeah.
My bubbles.
Oh well, that'll do for just now.